Casa Perla Negra is a residence designed by Salagnac Arquitectos and located in Puerto Carrillo, Costa Rica. Taking a mimetic architectural approach, the house imitates the natural and cultural elements of its surroundings to create a harmonious integration between the building and the landscape. Natural lighting and an effective cross-ventilation system are integrated into the design, creating natural thermal comfort without the need for air conditioning. Open corridors further enhance the sense of freedom and connection with the surrounding tropical landscape. Measuring approximately 600 square meters, the house is spread out in an L-shaped layout, modulated every 5 meters. Social areas such as the living and dining areas are located on the ground floor, while the bedrooms are spread out on the upper floors, providing privacy while maintaining a close connection with nature. Built on stilts to minimize disturbance to the land, Casa Perla Negra allows native vegetation to grow freely beneath it. Its main structure uses laminated wood that is resistant to marine corrosion, reducing the reliance on concrete and metal that have a major impact on the environment. Combining minimalist aesthetics with natural elements such as wood and stone, Casa Perla Negra creates a warm, calm, and inviting atmosphere. Every detail is designed to respond to the climate and environment, making this home a sanctuary that is at one with nature. Thanks to this responsible and innovative design approach, Casa Perla Negra has received international recognition, including winning the Metalco Award at the 2024 Bienal de Arquitectura Internacional de Costa Rica. Salagnac Arquitectos itself is widely known for their commitment to sustainability, integration with nature, and the use of local materials in all their work. With this project, they once again prove that architecture can be a bridge between humans and the environment. See you in the next architectural and design inspiration.